Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of translation. I am repeating, today our topic is translation. Students, this is our 14th lecture and 12th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 14th lecture and 12th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about these translations and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Our first question is, শিক্ষকের আদেশ পালন করা ছাত্রের কর্তব্য. Here we have given the sentence in Bangla and you have to write the English. So can you translate what will be the English? I hope you can guess. Okay. শিক্ষকের আদেশ পালন করা ছাত্রের কর্তব্য. Here you can use the word student or pupil. I'm writing here pupil. A pupil should obey his teacher. A pupil should obey his teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Here I'm informing you that you can write here student instead of the word pupil. Pupil means student. A pupil should obey his teacher. And you can say a student should obey his teacher. Number 2, অল্প বিদ্যা ভয়ঙ্করী. Our Bangla sentence is অল্প বিদ্যা ভয়ঙ্করী. And this is a proverb, and the proverb will be, a little learning is a dangerous thing. I'm writing here, a little learning, L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G. A little learning is a D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous thing. T-H-I-N-G. A little learning is a dangerous thing means অল্প বিদ্যা ভয়ঙ্করী. Number 3, শিক্ষা মনের অন্ধকার দূর করে. Okay, can you guess what will be the translation? Okay, I'm writing. Shikha in English calls education. E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education. And dur kore, in English we say remove. Education, remove, R-E-M-O-V-E, remove. Here education is third person singular number, so with third person singular number we have to add is, so the word will be removes. Education removes the darkness. The darkness means অন্ধকার, D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S, darkness of mind, M-I-N-D. Education removes the darkness of mind. Number 4, ছেলেরা হাততালি দিল. I'm repeating the Bangla sentence, ছেলেরা হাততালি দিল. The English translation will be, the boys clapped. Write with me, the boys clapped. C-L-A-P-P-E-D. You know the meaning of clap? Clap means হাততালি in Bangla. So the boys clapped means ছেলেরা হাততালি দিল. Now come to number 5. সৎ লোক সর্বত্রই সম্মানিত হয়. The answer will be an honest man is respected everywhere. Write with me. An honest man, Honest, honest man. An honest man is respected, Respected. An honest man is respected everywhere means সর্বত্র, Every, every, everywhere. সৎ লোক সর্বত্রই সম্মানিত হয়. The translation will be an honest man is respected everywhere. Now come to number 6. যত তাড়াতাড়ি হয় ততই ভালো. I'm repeating. যত তাড়াতাড়ি হয় ততই ভালো. The translation will be the sooner the better. The sooner is W-N-E-R. The sooner you have to use comma as here comma is given, so the sooner the better. The better. B-E-T-T-E-R. The sooner the better means যত তাড়াতাড়ি হয় ততই ভালো. Number 7, যত বেশি পড়বে তত বেশি শিখতে পারবে. The translation will be the more you read, the more you will learn. The more you read, comma, the more you will learn. You will learn, L-E-A-R-N. The more you read, the more you will learn. Now come to number 8. জল ছাড়া কেউ বাঁচতে পারে না. Okay, can you guess what will be the translation? I hope you can. Okay, the translation will be none can live without water. None can live without water. None can live without water means জল ছাড়া কেউ বাঁচতে পারে না. Now come to number 9. The given sentence is বাংলাদেশে অনেক নদী আছে. There are many rivers in Bangladesh. In translation, you have to write there are many rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers in Bangladesh, B-A-N-G-L-A-D-E-S-H, Bangladesh. Students, mark here, Bangladesh, B will be in capital letter. Be careful while writing the translation because it's a name of country, so you have to write it in capital letter. Now come to number 10. The given sentence is চকচক করলে সোনা হয় না. This is a well-known proverb and the proverb is all that glitters is not gold. I'm repeating, all that glitters is not gold. I'm writing here all that glitters, G-L-I-T-T-E-R-S, all that glitters is not gold. So the proverb is all that glitters is not gold, and it means in Bangla চকচক করলে সোনা হয় না. Now come to number 11. স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ. A given sentence is স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ, and if we translate it we'll find health is wealth. I'm writing HEALTH. Health is wealth. 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 Health is wealth means স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ. Now last number 10. আমাদের মাতৃভূমির নাম বাংলাদেশ. Can you say what will be the translation? Okay, write with me. The name of our country. The name of our country is Bangladesh. 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 The name of our country is Bangladesh. Here again I have written B in capital letter as it mentions the name of a country. So please be careful while writing the answers. And students, now it's time to give your homework. Your homework will be translation 1 to 5, only answer. I'm repeating, your homework will be translation 1 to 5, only answer. And no need to write the question, that means no need to write the Bangla sentences, only write the English sentence. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 14 and homework number is 12. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies and can collect your previous copies on every Sunday. Please do your homework and submit it, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.